Hello guys and welcome back. This is going to be a big video, but definitely not the end of the last video of the Land Rover, but it's an exciting one, the one you guys and I have been waiting for years so far. It's going to be we're getting this sucker out of the garage today. So what we did is, you won't see it in the video, but I did it afterwards. I put the apron on, the front apron on, the grill, and a bumper. I picked up a bumper off of a fella. But I had to re-drill these holes and put these bolts in and everything like that. So we're going to be getting her out of the garage. But don't worry, this isn't the end of the Land Rover series. So we're going to have a lot more videos still coming out on this. So stick around, enjoy the video and the grand reveal of actually seeing daylight. And thank you guys for liking and subscribing and following along during this whole restoration so far. So thank you very much. Enjoy the video. See you next time. Off the jack stands in the front.
You're hitting the...
Yeah. Woo! Going off the floor jacks finally. Just in case, if you hit Stop! I had to take even more air out of the tires to get the truck out of the garage. So here you go. There's a little reenactment for you. Yeah, let's go outside. Yeah, it was pushed in the zip tie on top of the roof. Oh, okay. Go. Yeah! Yeah! Bye.